All you need is a pair of fabric cutting scissors and any pair of leggings that you choose. Take your scissors and cut it at the crotch. This hole that we're cutting is for your head, and the legs of these leggings will now be your arms. Your cut does not have to be perfect because once you open the crop top, the head hole will be more than enough room for you to fit in. And it's getting hot out here, ladies, so how about you take clothes that you already have and turn it into something completely new? And that is why I'm here with this tutorial on how to turn any leggings into a nice crop top for this hot weather that we're going to endure. This DIY is a no-sew DIY, so therefore I will not be using my sewing machine to create a seam, but as you see, I am tugging and pulling away at the cut that I made for our head hole. When you pull at stretchy material, it gives it a clean, nice look and takes away all of the jagged edges from your cuts.
Tune in and subscribe.